couple of you have asked me, well, somebody in particular, but a couple others have asked me too, how's your four-wheel drive system work in this old Jeep? So let me show you. First of all, come out here in the field here, and we'll go ahead and we'll take these worn hubs. And as you can see, the arrow's pointing here to free and to lock. So lock, turn that way, free that way. Go ahead and give them a turn. So that way, the arrow is pointing to the lock, and we're not in free, so we're locking in the hubs. This side, and this side. Kind of clicks in place there to lock. Getting dirty. Anyway, so once the hubs are locked and engaged, basically the drive shaft's going to spin and put power to the front axle, to the hubs. Come in here, and this is a little different than it's tucked up that way, than some of the other Jeeps that have different two sticks here for high and low range. Basically, if you look right here, here's my transmission shift pattern right here, and my transfer case engagement. So up the whole way is 2 high, and then if I come back and reach it, 1, that's 4 high. Back 1 more, that's neutral. So if I put it in gear here, show you, I'm out the clutch, I won't go anywhere. That's neutral. Transfer case is in neutral. Now all the way back, I might actually have to put it in gear and shake it a little bit here. There we go. Normally it pops in pretty easy. That's low range. So again, go back out of it. I'm in low range right now. It's a neutral. It's a 4 high to 2 high. This is the single stick that came with the Tuxedo Parks. And again, as you can see right here, the pattern is such. And my shifter here is first, second, third, and then over, up is reverse. So reverse, first, second, third. That's it. Pretty simple. And then to take it back out of four-wheel drive, if you don't want those hubs locked, put it in two-wheel drive high and go out and unlock those hubs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.